This tutorial will instruct users on how to summarize data in Microsoft Excel using the pivot table function. This tutorial also assumes users already have access to Excel as well as some previous experience using the program. The goal here will be to summarize the total quantity and cost of food items sold under each order ID located in the data table. Starting off, click on any cell within the data table except for the ones highlighted in blue. Click on Insert and then Pivot Table. This will cause the table range box to appear. Click OK. A new sheet has been created for the pivot table. Now onto the pivot table fields located at the center right side. In descending order, click on Order ID, Quantity, and Cost. Those are the data points that need to be summarized. The table is still not complete since the sum of order ID is not a necessary value. The pivot table areas located below the pivot table fields will be used to solve this. Click and drag the sum of order ID rectangle into the rows square. Then drag the values rectangle into the rows square and above the order ID rectangle. This will correctly set up your pivot table. The last and final step is to change the title of the pivot table. Double-click on Row Labels, delete it, and replace it with Order ID. That concludes the tutorial, and thank you for watching.